Generating a 1004MC report inside of Matrix X is easy. It's also an effective way to determine the market conditions in any area. There's two ways that you can pull this report. Under search and under your print criteria, you're able to capture that report. We go into detail of how to do it in another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be working under market reports. Click on it. Under general, you'll find the market conditions 1004 report. This will bring you to the criteria page. In this tutorial, I'm going to be selecting active and closed properties. We're going to expand that date range to a year. Move down and select our property type. And in this example, we're going to be interested in the city of Weston. Input the city of Weston and select your criteria. From here, we can then tap Generate Report. The 1004 report will have your branding. It'll also show the criteria selected to generate the report. We have an inventory analysis as well as a median sales and list price analysis combined with days on market. Our report begins viewing our prior 7 to 12 months. The dates are also available, October 15th through April 13th. We're able to see the total number of comparable sales, and we're also able to see the absorption rate, meaning how many properties are being sold by month. Below, we're also able to see the total number of comparable active listings, so how many properties are currently on the market. And below, we have the months of housing supply. Our market conditions are broken down into 3 timeframes: the prior 7 to 12 months, 4 to 6 months, and our current 3 months. In the last 3 months, we've had 266 properties that were sold. We also see an absorption rate of 88.67. This is our total sales per month in the last 3 months. We then see our total number of comparable active listings. We have 83 active listings on the market. We then can see our months of housing supply, which is our listings divided by the absorption rate. So we have a little less than 1 month. The second half of our report will give us insight into the median sales price and median listing price with the days of market. In the last 3 months, the median sales price was $700,000. The days on market average was 12 days, compared to the listing price of $950,000. The median comparable sales price in Weston in the last 3 months has been $700,000. The median comparable list price has been $950,000. The days on market for sales were 12 days. The days on market for listings were 29. The median sales price over the median listing price is more than 100%. Let's do another example inside of Weston. But in this case, let's do an example of a specific subdivision. This is a great way to receive a more specific report. Clicking on Generate Report to begin that search. In this example, we're able to see the inventory analysis and the median sales and list prices for properties in Windmill Ranch Estates. In the last 4 months, they've had 4 total sales with an absorption rate of 1.33. The total number of comparable active listings are 9 with a housing supply of 6 months. We can see that's due to a significant price increase, which has had an effect on days on market. The expected time exceeds 100 days. The current sales price for properties are $3,350,000, in which case the current list price for listings is $3,499,000, and the median sales price over median list price is 90.54%. This is a great way to help you discuss expectations with your customers. Thank you for joining us for our Fannie Mae 1004MC statistics tutorial. Learn more about statistics by taking our statistics course with your Miami trainers. Thank you for being a Miami member.